Time now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
It is a stunning Monday out there. If you have a second to step outside and soak it in, please do, because it is gorgeous. Live look from Utah Lake, the Linden picture here just showing just amazing conditions, mostly sunny skies out there and temperatures running well above average. Things are going to change though as we head into our Tuesday. A cold front's tracking our way, and it does come with an elevated fire risk for a portion of the state. I'm going to show you who will be impacted and then the chance of wet weather. Well, we could see some and then some more. We're going to look at this week so you know exactly what to expect if you're going to be out and about. Maybe you've got baseball, t-ball, soccer. You know you've got to be in the know. Live look at St. George. Gorgeous shot here. Low 80s right now in Washington County. Our Dixie Tech camera just showing off those conditions. In Salt Lake, we're sitting at 71, running 9 degrees above the norm, and we're going to see those 70s sticking around for the next couple of hours. We get down to the 60s by 8 p.m., but all in all, really gorgeous conditions out there. Enjoy today because there's our front. Yes, it's going to track our way. Satellite radar shows us that system pushing into the Pacific Northwest coast. We are going to get increasing cloud cover ahead of it, which we're seeing in central and the southeastern portion of the state, but we're keeping our eye on the north because we know those clouds are going to be moving in. This area of low pressure stays to the north of us, but it does throw a front our way. Now that cold front will really increase windy conditions, and we're already dry, especially in the southern half of the state. We'll be breezy in the north, and yes, there is a chance of wet weather. Let's take a look at the winds first though, because we already have advisories posted, and that does include in south central Utah and on the eastern side of the state. This includes Castle Country, slides down to the Four Corners area near Blanding and Bluff, over Lake Powell, as well as a portion of Washington County. So we know that these winds could get up to 55 miles per hour, and they're going to remain in effect as we get through 9 p.m. So we know blowing dust is possible tomorrow in the south, and that compare that and combine it with dry conditions means fire danger goes up. And it's not just for us, it's the desert southwest. Winds at this point, this time of year, because we had a very dry year, will bring in fire danger. So much so in eastern Utah, red flag warning near Moab, that's over I-70. It's the Colorado River Basin. And that means that if a fire started, it would spread really quickly. This is the season for red flag warnings, and it's going to be a very long, warm season for the state of Utah, considering the water conditions we're in. Here's the futurecast. It brings in that cold front. It's going to move through the day. We're going to see those winds picking up ahead of it and even stay gusty behind it. Here comes that chance of wet weather. It moves in by the evening hours. Valley rain, mountain snow, and it looks like our best chance here on the model brings it in by 9 p.m. Snow in the mountains, valley rain showers. It moves quickly. High pressure takes control to follow. But we do have another storm system in the works. I'll show you on the 7-day. 50s and 60s. We've got 80s over in Moab, 84 in St. George. Looks pretty nice, but we are going to drop down temperatures by quite a few degrees. Chance of showers on Friday for Washington County, and the temperatures take a serious tumble. Windy conditions for the next several days in the south. Slight chance of that moisture tomorrow, and then again Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday morning. Those temperatures also will step away from the 70s. To stay on top of the forecast, download that ABC4 weather app. It's really easy to do. You take a picture of the QR code you see on your screen, takes you right to the App Store, where you can download for free, and we can be there for you.